I'm Lenny Bons here from Purposely Pixel, and today we are going to take a look at night photography with the Pixel 6 Pro. I'm going to post a bunch of pictures that I took during my trip to Florida and some other ones during Halloween and everything, but these are all nighttime photography. But let's get right into it. Now, we know all the top flagships this day and age take excellent daytime photos. Many have caught up in night photography. iPhone, Samsung do amazing with night photography. But the Pixel has always had that little edge with night sight. I would like to hear from you guys. Let me know if you think the Pixel 6 Pro has taken up just that extra notch that surpasses the Samsung Ultras and the iPhone Pro Maxes of the world. Please drop a comment below and let me know what you guys think. Video is informative and you appreciate it, hit that like button. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. Please drop a comment below and let me know what you guys think. I'm Lenny Bons here from Purposely Pixel.